Sonic Foundry.
In theaters now, the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers. The Power Rangers beat up on Barney the Dinosaur.
All right, then let's go get him.
Boy, I can't wait.
Yeah, let's blast him.
Smash him and trash him.
Now, who wants to go first?
Ah!
That's 1,
Yeah!
2, 3.
The Power Rangers beat the goo out of Barney the Dinosaur.
Oh, that's so much fun.
No. Yeah.
I think I farted again.
He's into superstition. He's really not very tall. He's got a premonition. This kid's gonna kill us all. He's on the Jedi Council, big heads and long necks. He's got a small lightsaber and speaks he in ways to vex. To make you lift up big rocks with the power of your brain. He'll make you face your destiny and you'll never be the same. And your hand will cause you pain. Long ear.
Axel! よう、空!
Happened one day in the studio, dancing around in a do-si-do. The purple monstrosity was waving his arms. We were falling victim to his evil charms. He brushed against the candle and he started to smoke. And now we're all laughing at the dinosaur joke. Oh boy, Barney's on fire. It's what we've always desired. We'll watch the flames get higher. Just don't try to put him out. Purple fur was flying, ashes everywhere, and all of the kids just continued to stare. The guy inside the suit, he started to yell. We probably should have helped him, but what the hell? He threw himself violently against the wall. He fell to his knees and he tried to crawl away. Oh boy, Barney's on fire. This is our secret desire. We'll help the flames burn brighter, but don't you try to put him out. Oh boy, Barney's on fire. This is what we've always desired. Won't you help us fan the flames higher? And you better not try to put him out. Barney's no longer ignited. We're feeling somewhat slighted. He's laying in a heap on the floor. We poked him with a stick 'cause we had to be sure he was dead.
Okay.